Welcome to this Windows channel, and this is the Tech News Update. We are Saturday, January the 20th, 2018. And today in our Tech News Update, we have Amazon Alexa. That, of course, there's an app for Android, because if you have a, Echo device of some sort, you could control. But now they added Alexa capabilities to the Android app. So now we only, need to have that happen on PCs, and Amazon is kind of the king of assistants suddenly, with Alexa being everywhere. Some of the latest rogue Chrome and Firefox extensions are so difficult to remove, it's almost impossible. Malwarebytes and also McAfee security researchers have been saying, look, this is really something. We've not encountered some of these extensions that were so difficult to remove, and basically even manually removing them is almost impossible and often coming back. And it just shows that, a lot of these bad guys are working hard to make sure that your computer's infected with something. Windows 10 Insider Preview Build 17.074.1002 was released this week, which is the same build as last week, but with a little bit of fixes, including the AMD processor fix. Well, it's now in the slow ring, so this is good news for slow ring insiders, as now they are at the same version as the fast ring insiders. And of course, it's going to be interesting to see in the week ahead what new build we'll have for Redstone 4. Well, it seems that ransomware makers are going crazy over the high volatility of the Bitcoin. And basically, they, from day to day, lose money, make money, or, it just moves so fast. And also, there's a lot of people that complain about the high processing fees for Bitcoin. And basically, they are kind of looking at other ways that they could get paid. But also, we got to say that apparently, in the majority of cases, they don't get paid because people don't know how to simply get Bitcoins. Well, a net neutrality app was sent for verification to go to the iOS App Store so that iPhone and iPad users could check if there was throttling of the streaming services from their own, ISP. Now, the app was rejected by Apple, but after a lot of complaints from users saying, why did you refuse this app, as we need to have it, they finally accepted the app in the store. So now you will actually know if, for example, YouTube, Netflix, and other streaming services are throttled by your ISP. Well, there was some user complaints after the customers saw the first driverless pizza delivery truck. It's a Pizza Hut and Toyota going together into the autonomous truck that drives itself and can almost make pizzas for you. But it seems that users are not happy, saying that, well, this is going to kill jobs. Pizza Hut kind of replied back, no, it's not going to kill jobs, it's going to make more jobs. Well, of course, each side has its own idea on this. In December, a mix of human errors and security flaws in industrial machinery made it possible to shut down many critical infrastructures in the Middle East, as they were infected with the Triton malware, which is basically really kind of a malware that affects mostly industrial equipment. Of course, when we see that type of attack, we always think of state-sponsored attacks of some sort, but I guess this is the future of what's going to happen. Fujitsu says that it will remove keycards and passwords. They say that these are not secure enough, and it will replace them with palm recognition for 80,000, all of its 80,000 employees. And they say that that's how they're going to stay secure. So apparently, palm recognition coming to Fujitsu. So this was the Tech News Update for Saturday, January 20th, 2018. You enjoy our videos? Please subscribe, give us thumbs up, and thank you for watching.